Can't start your game because of the Direct3d9 engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. This DLL file is a fundamental DirectX 9 library responsible for 3D graphics rendering. It provides the core API that allows games to interface with the graphics card to render real-time visual effects on the Windows OS. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The Direct3d9 engine DLL is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Direct3d9 engine file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. The version of the Direct3d9 engine DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with the Direct3d9 engine. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Windows OS Core DirectX today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.